My name is Derek Backer and I'm the Community Traffic Safety Program Manager with TMA Bucks. Today we're going to be talking to Representative Ferry from Bucks County and Officer Robinson from Middletown Township Police Department about a new car seat law for Pennsylvanians. Representative Ferry, can you explain why this new car seat law is important for the citizens of Pennsylvania?
Yes, studies show that children between the ages of 12 and 24 months are 5 times more likely to be seriously injured or killed in an automobile accident.
What is the new law that Pennsylvania just recently passed?
The new law goes into effect on August 12th, and what the law does is it requires children under the age of 2 to be securely fastened in a rear-facing child safety seat.
Officer Robinson, when does this new law go into effect, and exactly how do the police plan on enforcing this law?
The law actually takes effect August 12, 2016, but for the first year of that law, we're only going to enforce it with verbal or written warnings. After that 1-year grace period, we're going to cite drivers for their traffic infractions accordingly.